Hi everyone, welcome to Szenan-Balance vlog. In this vlog, we're going to answer a question from Shannon from UK. She asks, do you clear local point fully or a certain percentage before introduce the global balance? That's number one question. So, my opinion, no, you don't need to clear all the tenderness spot before you introduce global balance. You can use global balance and local balance together, right? So the next question is, if one introduce both together, which do you do first, and how does treating both impact on the total treatment time? Now, I would say, in my experience, when you introduce both together, then you will find that the patient's results last longer. And especially when they have obvious internal disease, then definitely you want to use global balance. And this is going to help them get better faster. Okay. Which one do you do first? Now, so it comes to initial examination. In your initial examination, you want to ask a lot of questions, and you want to know about the internal disease. Do the patient suffer from internal organ imbalance or not? If not internal disease, just local problem, pain, then just do local balance. Now, if with internal disease organ imbalance, then you definitely want to do global balance. Or I would say, in my experience, all my patients have some internal organs imbalance anyway. So I always started with global balance rather than started with local balance. If I do local balance first, I always add on global balance. That's just my preference to use balance method acupuncture. I hope this helped and love your question. Now, if you're first time watching this video or you have been following for a while and you haven't signed up, haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, look at here and subscribe it and ring the bell beside it so you won't miss any of my videos in the future. See you next time. Bye bye.